Let's bake some Pili tart. These and more delicious food recipes are in this delightful cookbook, written by Juanita Gutierrez, containing all of her beautiful and beloved mother, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, delightful food recipes in this amazing cookbook. Mom and Chef, NANAY Teodora, of Philippines Cuisines. Cookbook recipes written by their loving daughter, Juanita Guzman-Gutierrez. Available now at Amazon, Ex-Libris, Barnes & Nobles, and all bookstores worldwide in ebook, Kindle, paperback format, and at Juanita Guzman-Gutierrez Amazon Author Central page. My beautiful and beloved mother, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, was a great chef. We used to own a student canteen restaurant in our hometown in the Philippines, first woman ever elected public official, and proposed and founded the first and only public high school where I, Miss Gutierrez, the author of this book, speaking to you now, was unanimously elected president of our teacher association all over our hometown school district, while my beloved father, Mr. Jamito Javier Gutierrez, was twice elected town captain and approved our school budget. This was after his retirement as a USA stenographer at the United States of America Airport. These and more of their cooking legacies, way of life, Philippine traditions, and Tagalog learning are in this beautiful cookbook. Mom and Chef, NANAY Teodora, of Philippines Cuisines. Cookbook recipes written by their loving daughter, Juanita Guzman-Gutierrez. Let's enjoy cooking, baking delicious dessert, Pili tart.